All right, now let's move on to our next news. Among the features gracing Indonesia's future capital Nusantara is the miniature rainforest located near the palace, showcasing the botanical wealth of Kalimantan.
And in the future, it will also serve as a center for public education on Indonesia's biodiversity.
Located in the administrative center of Indonesia's future capital, Nusantara, is the miniature's tropical rainforest. The concept, as outlined to the president during his visit last December, is to serve as a showcase of Kalimantan's botanical wealth. The 96-hectare forest houses 103 species. In addition, there are 6 hectares of the so-called adoption area where the public could adopt a tree by donating for their care. There are also 2 traditional houses offering information on how people living near the rainforest live through the infographics and displays of various specimens and products.
Kita berharap dengan keberadaan dari lokasi ini akan mendukung upaya IKN menjadi kota hutan berkelanjutan, akan mengurangi suhu ya yang ada pada iklim mikro. Ya, kita tahu di IKN panas, jadi mudah-mudahan dengan ada tempat ini bisa menjadi lebih sejuk. Kemudian juga akan mengundang satwa-satwa untuk juga bisa hadir. Itu kira-kira yang menjadi tujuannya.
The private sector was involved in the development of the forest, highlighting the collaborative aspect of the capital development. See Today contributor reporting from Nusantara, East Kalimantan.